right, go ahead and jump into the 2-minute pitch. Eco Sports Adventure is a tangible product offering eco-friendly sports experiences, setting it apart from just an idea by delivering real, sustainable value. People buy it because it aligns with their environmental values and desire for authentic, responsible outdoor activities. The competition, mainly traditional tour companies, often lacks true sustainability or personalization, creating a gap eco sports adventure can fill. The target market includes eco-conscious consumers near natural areas such as mountains, waterways, hiking trails, nature preserves, etc. That's why we want to base it in Colorado, perhaps. Key features might include certified eco packages, easy booking, educational support. The idea was inspired by a growing demand for sustainable recreation with assumptions about consumer willingness to prioritize eco values. Emergency technologies and environmental awareness make this a timely and unique opportunity with how things are operating today. So moving into a couple of the questions. To answer a few of the parts on question 2, Eco Sports Adventure is a concrete product offering authentic, sustainable sports adventures that differentiate it from mere ideas. By delivering real value experiences, customers will purchase it because it aligns with their eco-conscious lifestyles and unique, responsible experiences. Competition includes some traditional sports and eco-tour providers who often might lack the genuine sustainability focus, leaving the customers undeserved and unsatisfied. The market comprises aware consumers with access to natural venues. The essential features include eco certification, user-friendly platforms, and educational support as well. The idea is inspired by growing eco-consciousness and market gaps based on assumptions about consumer values and market demand. Technological advances and rising environmental awareness provide this as a fresh and promising opportunity, I would say. And as far as the third and fourth question, who's your customer, user, payer? Are those different, reaching them, and whatnot? So first, identifying the customer categories, I would say that the user is typically the person who actually engages with the service, like someone taking part in the adventure sports activities. That user can also be the payer. However, the payer would be the same person as the user, could be, or it could be something along the lines of a parent or an employer who might cover the cost for their team or family. So what sets those two apart? Sometimes the payer might also be the user. However, I would say for the user, it is all about the experience and how satisfying everything is, and if everything was up to par. The payer, on the other hand, might be more concerned with the value, the cost, overall benefits, what them or their team, family might get out of the experience. As far as reaching the groups, I would say to connect with users, focus on marketing strategies that resonate with adventure enthusiasts, social media, adventure forums, sponsoring or tabling at outdoor events. For payers, I would say considering business-to-business marketing, forming corporate sponsorships or advertising that highlights the value and the benefits, and that may be at other outdoor events as well, or just cold calling. To answer the last question, so I would say business customers are often companies, organizations purchasing on behalf of their employees or clients is the idea that I have in mind. Consumers, however, those could be the individuals buying for their own personal use as well. The user, in summary, is the one who actively participates in adventure sports, while the payer is the one who might fund that experience, which can obviously be different people, like I mentioned. Each group requires a unique marketing approach that aligns with their interests and maybe their decision-making processes. When it comes to the business customers, they typically represent a larger group and tend to prioritize what we talked about earlier with the payer, usually the value and the cost effectiveness compared to individual customers that might not see it the same, I suppose. As far as a clear value proposition, Excuse me. I would say a solid value proposition, if your customer is a part of a company who makes a purchasing decision as well, would clearly outline the unique benefits of the EcoSports Adventure experience, emphasizing aspects like sustainability, excitement, physical challenges, things that we're all about. If the customer is affiliated with a company, the decision to purchase is usually made by someone like a manager, procurement officer, or HR representative, something along those lines as a getaway or a good way to meet people and build morale with your team, I would say, the camaraderie. And yeah, that's it for week 2. Thank you.